Pakistan Air Force has an immaculate training tradition which fine-tunes the force to protect the honor and sovereignty of the motherland. With an aspiration to achieve excellence, Pakistan Air Force selects young men and women with budding credentials in all branches. This task is accomplished through a thorough system of training which caters for specialized knowledge about the world, military tactics and material sciences. The overall training system of Pakistan Air Force can be divided into two main streams, that is training of officers and training of airmen. The standard of training maintained in the PAF is recognized all over the world. It is this trustworthy repute that today Pakistan Air Force has the credit of providing initial and specialized training to the personnel of over 30 allied countries. Innumerable opportunities await the officers to further their education after initial training at the PAF Academy, Risalpur. Professional courses pertaining to flying, engineering, air defense and other miscellaneous types are offered to the officers during their career. Major training institutes for officers include College of Flying Training CFT at Risalpur, College of Aeronautical Engineering CAE at Risalpur, Flying Instructors School FIS at Risalpur, Transport Conversion School TCS at Chaklala, Helicopter Flying Training School HFTS at Peshawar, Air Defense Training School ADTS at Sakesar, Institute of Air Safety IAS at Masroor, Karachi, Aero Medical Institute AMI at Masroor, Karachi, and Air War College at Karachi. Equal emphasis is given to the training of airmen. The selected candidates inducted to serve as airmen in the PAF are sent to the Pre-Trade Training School, Kohat, which imparts basic military academics training to the airmen of all trades. After passing out from PTTS, the airmen are sent to various training schools where professional training concerning various trades are imparted to them. Major training institutes for airmen include Pre-Trade Training School at Kohat, School of Aeronautics at Korangi Creek, Karachi, School of Electronics at Korangi Creek, Karachi, Administrative Trade Training School at Kohat, and School of Logistics at Kohat.